Alright, hey everybody, third video of the day. Breaking some Artifacts retail. They had 2 boxes left, so I picked this one. Maybe it'll be lucky, maybe not. Hopefully it'll be better than yesterday. Alright, here we go. Empty. Here are the cards. At least I know what's going on with this because I've opened it before. Base, 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 base. All base. All thin again. Base, 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 base is everywhere. Base, base. I wonder what the odds are of getting anything loose back. All thin again. Base, base, base. All base. I'm seeing a trend here. Base, 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 base. Alright, can we at least get one of those Legends cards? Something. Base, 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 base. Ooh, we have a Legends of Mr. Hockey. Number 568 out of 999. At least we got something. If all else fails, we have a Mr. Hockey. Come on. There we go. That's 3 packs. Base, base, base. That's a cool looking card, regardless of if it's base or not. Okay, this is a really thick one. Has a thick card in it. Please don't be a decoy. Oh, it's not a decoy! Oh my gosh! I'm saving it for last. Base, base, base. We have a jersey of Andre Meszaros. Treasured swatches for the Senators. Not numbered. At least we got something. Might not be the most spectacular player, but it's something. Last pack is sort of thick too. Maybe it's an Autofax. Base, base, base. Everything's base. Alright, so hit of the day, jersey swatch. Not bad. One color, red. At least it's not white. That would be bad. Not numbered. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe to these videos if you want to see more. If you're interested in buying any cards, not just these, I have Black Diamond, I have Champs, I have Artifacts, I have basically anything you would want. Just PM me the player or team that you're looking for, and I will tell you what I have for them. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you watch the other 2 videos from today. A few packs of Series 1, some random hockey box, then Series 2, and then this. So, I don't know how long it'll be until I break another box. Kinda need to save up some money first. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.